Hi, I'm Josh with toolsandmachinery.com. Have you ever wondered what this noise could possibly be? Or why your chuck on your drill doesn't spin? Well, I know your first reaction may be to throw it down or to go have it repaired. But I'm going to give you a tip that can avoid both of those things, which in essence will save you time and will save you money. This is the tip. More oftentimes than not, what happens is your gear switch gets caught in between gears, which causes the noise and the chuck not spinning. It's as simple as moving your gear switch in one gear place or the other, which then will allow it to spin freely and to make a noise that it's supposed to make. That is the tip of the day, brought to you by toolsandmachinery.com.